How do you convey the power of sound? Well, you've got to hear it to believe it. And here it is, the Yamaha YSP3000, and it changes everything you have ever known about home theater. This single audio component will deliver an amazing multi-channel 5.1 surround sound experience. That's right, I said it. One unit, one connection, and your home theater is complete. How about that? The Yamaha YSP3000 is a home cinema decoder, amplifier, and 5.1 speaker system packed into one sleek, slim unit. Now get this, okay, because this is really cool. It incorporates 21 individual sound drivers. I need Randy to show you this, because I can't even talk about it. I need to show you this. Thanks, Randy. Appreciate it. Appreciate that. Can't do anything without Randy. We got a thumbs up from him. Now look at this. I just told you there are 21 individual sound beam drivers, okay? These are the individual sound beam drivers. These are the high-end and mid-range speakers, and they're anchored on either side by two low-frequency woofers, okay? So that's how it works. Now each of these drivers, or speakers, as we call them, is individually amplified, and it's controlled by the sound projector IntelliBeam system. Now the audio is really intelligently bounced off the walls of the room to deliver a true 5.1 surround sound experience right to your seat, right to you. Each of these speaker drivers, let me show you how big they are, okay? They each measure about a little over 1.5 inches, okay, across. So if you look at it right here, that's about how big it is, just so you get an idea. And it's engineered for optimal performance. Now the YSP3000 pulls 82 watts of output power overall, and it has an onboard high-efficiency power supply as well. Does it get better than this? I don't know. I really don't know if it does. Get this. Yamaha's digital sound projector automatically adjusts its sound beams so the individual surround sound signals will fit the specific layout of any room. So it doesn't matter if you have a small room or a big room, it will transform for you and make it into like a concert hall, like your very own concert hall, no matter how big the room is. The YSP3000 can produce either 3.1 or 5.1 surround sound effects, and it has 3 separate surround sound modes. So let me explain this to you, okay? It can play stereo signals for spectacular music listening, which I love. Love to listen to music. I'm sure you do too. It connects to your receiver, high-definition source, or your television by true 1080p capable HDMI connections for the ultimate home theater experience. Now listen, there's even a subwoofer output in case you want to bring in some extra equipment to get that, that rumbling bass sound. You get that, you want to get it out of your music and your movies. You can do that. You can also connect via either the 2 digital optical inputs or this 2 digital coax. I don't like to say coax. I want to shorten that word. The coax input. So listen to me, you guys. Yamaha has made home theater so simple. The Yamaha YSP3000 is compatible with tons of different home and personal entertainment technologies. Okay, so let me just explain a few of them for you. You can dock your iPod. I love this feature. You can actually dock your iPod into this, okay, right into the YSP3000. You can listen to your digital music with incredible quality, and to make it even better, it will even charge while you listen. You don't have to worry about the battery running out. The digital sound projector will also work with XM Radio's new XM HD surround sound. I mean, it just keeps getting better. We love HD. The YSP3000 is perfect for small panel displays. It's designed to fit nicely underneath a 30-something inch size LCD TV, so if you have a big or small, it doesn't matter. It's going to work for you. And it's an incredible high-tech way to get amazing surround sound out of a compact, kids, theater installation. All right, this is your own home theater, and it's small. And there are plenty of other features to the YSP3000 as well. So what I highly advise you to do is go to the website, check out the complete specs, surf to Tiger Direct, okay? Then when you go to the search box, you type YSP3000, you'll find everything you would possibly need to know to put together your truly amazing home theater experience. I'm telling you guys, it's just making your life so much better, so much simpler, and like I said, you kind of need to hear it to believe it. So if you want to hear it to believe it, you got to get it. If you have any questions, you can always email me, Nikki, Nikki, @tiger.tv, or call us 24/7. We're here for you. 1-800-800-8300. See you next time.